Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In today's session, let's cover the Messagebox widget in Tkinter. So what is the use of Messagebox widget in Tkinter? It is used to display the message boxes in the Python application. It is just like a pop-up message which get displayed on the Tkinter screen. There are many functions in the Messagebox widget through which we can display the messages. Tkinter Messagebox has got different functions that can be used to display the relevant messages based on the application requirements. It can be like an information message or a warning message or an error message or taking any input from the user. So there are around 8 message functions in the Messagebox widget. The syntax for it is messagebox.function name. Then we have to specify the title, the message, and options. So, function name, there are around 8 function names associated with the message box. The first one is show info, next is show warning, show error, ask question, ask OK cancel, ask yes no, ask yes no cancel, ask retry cancel. So based on the application requirement, we can pick up the required function name in the message box. Then we have got the title, which is nothing but the title of the message box, and the message, which is the actual message which will be displayed on the message box. So show info function. It shows some information to the user. If we want to show some information to the user, we can use the show info function. If we want to display a warning message, then we can use the show warning. And show error, it displays the error message to the user. If we want any input from the user like yes or no, then we can ask question through the ask question function. If we say yes, it returns yes. If we say no, it returns no. Ask OK cancel. So based on some application activity, if we want to ask the user whether he is OK or he wants to cancel, then we can use this particular function. OK returns true, cancel returns false. Ask yes no prompts yes or no for some action. It returns true for yes and false for no. Ask retry cancel. Suppose an activity is run and he wants to and it is not working and user wants to retry. So we can use this particular message box, that is retry cancel. Retry returns true, cancel returns false. Ask yes no cancel. So yes returns true, no returns false, and cancel returns none. So these are the 8 different functions available in the message box in Tkinter. Now with one code example, let's see how it works. To work with the message boxes, we have to import from Tkinter, we have to import message box. Then let me have my main screen. I've already returned this. So win equal to tk. Then my w equal to label. Place it in the main window. Text equal to message box demo 1. And let me pack it on the screen, w.pack. So I'm creating a label widget which will display the text message box demo 1. Then let me have my actual message boxes. So message box dot show info. Let me take my first function, show info. The title for this, let me have it as show info itself. And the message is login successful. Login successful is the message. Now let me have my second message box. Let me call it as show warning. The function used is show warning. title for this is show warning, and the warning message is user has to be admin. User has to be admin. Next, let me take some more message boxes. Totally there are 8 functions, so 8 message boxes. Let us take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third one is show error. So title, let me have it as show error. Then the message is internal server error. Next one is ask question. Ask question. The title for this is ask question. I'm giving it as ask question itself. And the message for this is do you want to submit. So it is asking a question from the user whether he wants to submit the form or something like that, whether he wants to submit or no. So he's asking the question. Then we have ask OK cancel. Ask OK cancel. Ask OK cancel. So it is asking the user, the message is deleting will delete all the data. Deleting will delete all the data. So whether is OK or he wants to cancel. So it will prompt for two buttons, OK or cancel. So if we clicks on OK, it will return true. Cancel means it will return false. Then I'm having ask yes, no. Ask yes, no is my title. Do you want to quit? So it is asking the user whether he wants to quit or not. So I'm asking the question, do you want to quit? Then the next function is ask yes, no, cancel. Ask yes, no, cancel. So the function, the title also I'm giving the same, ask yes, no. It can have any other value also, but I'm giving the same so to understand that it is ask yes, no, cancel function. Then I'm saying your choice, whether it is yes, no or cancel. Then the last one is ask retry cancel. Ask retry cancel. Ask retry cancel is the title. The server is unreachable. Do you want to retry? The server is unreachable. Do you want to retry? So the server is unreachable. Do you want to retry? If user clicks on retry, it will return the value true. If he clicks on cancel, it will return the value false. Then we have the main event loop, that is win.main loop. So first is the show info. It is just an informational box which will say login successful. Then is the show warning, which displays a warning message, user has to be admin. Then is the show error. it will show some errors like internal server error. Then is the ask question. It will ask a question to the user, do you want to submit? And based on the output, if it is yes, then it returns true or it returns false. If it is yes, it will return yes, otherwise it will return no. Ask okay, cancel. So it will ask whether he wants to is okay with the operation or whether he wants to cancel the operation. So deleting will delete all the data. If he is okay, he can click on OK. If he is not okay, he can click on the cancel button. Ask yes or no. So it is asking whether do you want to quit. It can be yes or no. Ask yes, no, cancel. If it is yes, it will return true. No, it will return false. For cancel, it will return none. Ask retry, cancel. It is asking whether the system needs to retry or whether it can cancel. The server is unreachable. Do you want to retry? If we clicks on retry, it will return true. Cancel, it will return false. Then we have the main event loop. So now for this we have to import the message box. We have to say from Tkinter import message box. So now when I run the code, so I'm getting my main window saying Messagebox demo 1. This is the label widget on the main window. Then I'm getting my informational message show. Let me minimize it. Show success, login successful. So it's an informational message. So it stands for information, show info, and I'm getting login successful. Next is the show warning. This is the warning symbol, and it's saying user has to admin to perform this activity. A warning message it is displaying. It comes along with the sound. For error message, it is telling internal server error. So the red color and an into mark shows the show error message. And the title also is show error because we are given show error. And this is the message that is internal server error. Next is ask question. So the title is ask question and the message is do you want to submit? So it will prompt for two buttons, the yes or the no. If user clicks on yes, it will return the value yes, otherwise no. So let me just click on yes. Then it is saying next is ask okay, cancel. Ask okay, cancel. So it is saying deleting will delete all the data. Are you okay or you want to cancel? So user can choose as per his requirement. Then is ask yes, no. Do you want to quit? Yes or no. If user clicks yes, true will be returned. If no, false will be returned. Ask yes, no or cancel. Your choice. It can enter yes, no or cancel. If it is yes, it will return true, no, false, cancel, none. Lastly, it is ask retry, cancel. Ask retry, cancel. The server is unreachable. Do you want to retry? So if you click on retry, it will return true. If you click on cancel, it will return false. So based on this, based on the click of the button and the return value what it returns, we can include our functionality of retrying the server once again, or we can include the functionality to cancel the try once user clicks the cancel button. So these functionality we can include with the help of the return value what this button returns, whether it's true or whether it is false. So the functionality wise what the buttons return, let's see it in the next session. But in today's session we saw 8 functions, that is the show info, show warning, show error, ask question, ask okay, cancel, ask yes, no, ask yes, no, cancel, ask retry, cancel. So hope so friends, it is clear for you. It is just like a pop-up message which gets displayed on the Tkinter screen. So a message widget is used to display the message boxes or pop-up boxes in the Python application. So based on our requirement, user requirement, we can display an info message or a warning message or an error message, or we can ask question from the user. So Based on our requirement, we can use the functions as required. So first is the title and the second is the message. So firstly we have the title of the message box, and then this is the actual message. Hope so friends it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.